This is not a perfect day to inspect a car because it just rained, and it's exactly why this video is important, because most inspections don't happen in perfect conditions. Today I'll show you exactly how to inspect a car step by step, no matter the conditions. Starting with what can be serious and ending with what can be cosmetic. Start with panel gaps. They should all be equal all around. So as you can see, we already found something here. It's not identical all the way, so it's not aligned properly. Now we next look for bolts. Factory bolts have a clean finish, so if you see any scratches or dents or paint missing, it just means the panel was removed. It's not in itself a big problem. The problem is the structure behind the panel. So as you can see, the fender was removed, so we should just pay a close attention to the pillar to see if any marks on them. If they don't, it's okay, it was just cosmetics, but if they do, just leave it. And don't just stop looking at the fender, you should also check the doors, like all the doors. This one, for example, was removed also, so it's only natural that I look on the back door to see any marks. And we have marks here also. Again, check for pillar, see if it was damaged in any way, maybe repainted. If it's repainted, it's a sign it was damaged. So again, a signal for you to walk away. Don't just look for panel gaps. Look at the bolts no matter how the panel gaps are. This was an easy fix, so it's not that important. It's what it shows you. Now let's start with the smaller problems. You should check for reflections to see if you spot any dents, like this one here. I hope you can see that. It's a bit difficult when it's wet, but not impossible. We have another one here. So make sure you take the time and you take each panel and just look at it from any angle possible. So even in these conditions, we now know these 3 panels were removed, probably replaced. Most likely it was the same collision, starting from the front fender to the back door. It could have been independent ones, but I don't think so. Structure is intact, so it was probably only cosmetics, so I can deal with that. If you choose to buy a car in these weather conditions, you should always have like a budget for some paint correction, because there will be scratches that you don't see. But always check for the structure first, then leave paint for the last. Doesn't matter if it's rainy or not, structure is much more expensive to fix.